This is the final preparation for the penthouse. We expected to receive the first set of beds tonight. You can see the penthouse is now very neat. The whole environment, the electrical work is done, the roof is probably repaired, and the lighting is done to receive this new set of babies. That is the beds, the 12 weeks point of lay. And of course, in as much as we're looking forward to receive the beds, the part of the business that we're not looking forward to is the feeding. Because from now till about 20 weeks, that is when the beds will be 20 weeks or 22 weeks, it will just be feeding, cost, medicine, vaccination for them to make sure they're well taken care of, quite a lot of water, a lot of multivitamins. Yeah, before they start laying by 20 to 22nd weeks. So, final preparation. Looking forward to receive the beds tonight. First set will be delivered today. Tomorrow night, second set will be delivered as well. The drivers usually prefer to travel in the night just to make their journey very smooth. Yeah. So I just thought to update you guys on our plans to receive the beds tonight. Again, kindly subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Please join our channel. Bye. I hope this is actually motivating someone.